Okay, I think it is better now. Okay, chalo. Let's get started, everyone. Yeah. Okay, total how many people have joined so far? I can't see. It's okay. No worries. Okay. Chalo. First thing, everyone, please tell me. Now, whenever we try to communicate with computer, what language does computer understand? We human beings, whenever we try to interact with the computer, what language does computers understand?
Only binary language.
Only binary language. Okay. They understand only what? Binary language. Okay. That is my, they understand only ones and zeros. Yes or no? Okay. Now, what language we human beings speak? What language do we human beings speak? Generally, we speak English. Okay. We'll understand. We'll speak English, Kannada, Hindi, Urdu, Marathi. There are a lot of classes. Yeah, this is the revision class. Okay. Not live class. This is a revision class. Okay. So people who have already attended can drop off. Okay. Here, we now, if I ask computer, hey computer, print hello world, will computer understand? Will computer understand? If I directly go and say, computer, hey, print hello world, will it understand? It will not understand. It's confused. Okay. Now it will try to say, I'm not understanding your language. Will it speak to you in English, or will it send the message in ones and zero binary system? It will send message in binary system. Now, do you understand what is 10101010? No idea. Both are confused, right? Both are confused. Right? Now, how can we solve this problem? Now, most of you would say we will solve this problem using what? Programming language. Okay. What are the programming languages we know, everyone? What are the programming languages we know? Say we know C, C++, Java, Python, whatever. Yes. I will write the message in Java, Python. Okay. And now what I will do, I will send the message to the computer. Will the computer understand? In this scenario, is the computer understand? I will write in Java and directly I'll give Java file to computer. I'll write in C and I'll directly give C file to the computer. Will the computer understand anything here? No. Computer will not understand anything. Why? Any particular reason why computer won't understand anything here?
Because computer understand only binary language.
Only binary language. Whatever program we write, it consists of what? It consists of some English words and some symbols. Yes or no? Mix of that, yes. Right? It is mix of what language we know plus some symbols which we'll be using. That is programming language. Will computer understand if I write code and give it to it? No, it will never understand. So what will happen? What will happen now? Now, computer doesn't understand English. I don't understand ones and zeros. Okay. Now someone told me, computer, you have to give computer command using what? Program. I write program. Neither computer is understanding the program, nor what computer is saying I am understanding. There is some problem here, some issue here. We cannot communicate directly with program also. Now imagine we are in an aeroplane. Okay. See, we are in an aeroplane. Or let us say Ram went to a bar. Okay. Done. There he will see one nice girl. Okay. She is from France. Okay. The only language she knows is French. She doesn't even know English also. Okay. Ram, he knows English. He knows Hindi. Okay. Now Ram is trying to communicate with that girl. He's trying to ask, can I buy you a drink? He's trying to hit on her. Okay. Now he goes there with very confidence, like, hey, hi, can you buy a drink? Then that girl will say, Mushi, Masi Buku. She will tell something like this. Will Ram understand whatever she is saying? No. Ram will not understand whatever she is saying. Now what will happen? Here, our Ram also is speaking in English to impress that girl. That foreigner She is replying in French. Okay. This fellow is talking in English. None of them are understanding anything. So what we can do here to solve this problem? What we can do?
Translator.
We need a translator. So you'll carry a translator with you everywhere. Ram? No, right? So there will be some nice gentleman sitting in the bar. Okay. And he'll be like, guys, hold on. Let me help you. So he will come in between these two. Okay. And whatever Ram is telling, he will communicate it to this French woman, right? Now, this fellow, if he's a translator, he knows French. He knows only French. Can he be a translator? He knows only French, guys. Can he be a translator? First of all, what Ram is telling, will he understand if he knows only French? No, right? He will not understand. So he should know both French and as well as English. Yes. So he will understand what Ram is saying in English. Okay. And analyze it and convert it to French and give it to this girl. Yes. Now, whatever this girl will reply, okay, and he will convert it into English and give it to Ram. Yes. Now, Ram tells us, hey, can I buy your drink? Okay. Now, what will this girl reply? Sorry, I don't drink. So she will reply, Ram will get dejected and he will go away from there. Okay. And he comes and attends Java class. Is this clear, everyone? Similarly, sorry, I'm going a little fast paced. Similarly, do we need a translator for programming language also? Yes. Do we need a translator? Yeah. Now, we as a programmer, we will give command using what? Program. Yes. Now, do we require some kind of translator here in between, everyone, which will take the program and it will translate and give it to the computer? Yes or no? And whatever the computer will reply, it will translate and it will reply to us. For example, there was error in something, it will say error in your program. Yes or no? So we require some kind of translator. So for every programming language, we human beings know high level language. What does computers understand? Low level language, which is binary system. Okay. So if we have to do this, we need a translator. We directly cannot write program and give program to the computer. Is this clear, everyone? So we need a translator. Now, based on translator, there are two types of translator, everyone. Okay. First of all, I did a summary here. What is program? Set of instruction. What is programming language? Mode of communication between, can I say between programmer and CPU? Yes. Now, computer understand low level language. Translator is used to what? To bridge the gap. Okay. Now, there are two types of translator, everyone. One is compiler and one is interpreter. Okay. Now, what happens in compiler? In compiler, the program is fed to what? The compiler. Here, if it is a compiler, this kind of translator will take the program at the complete shot, like full file only it will consume. Okay. And then it will convert it into binary and give it to the system. Now, this type of process where we take the whole program at one shot and convert it into binary is known as what? A compiler. And this process is known as compilation. Then now in when you are converting, say there is some mistake in line number 4. Okay. Some mistake, some syntax mistake, grammar mistake, or whatever you say, some mistake is there, some error which user has done. Now, whenever we are feeding this whole file, will it be successful? No, it will not be successful. The reason being is, in compilation, if there is a single error in any of the line, the whole compilation will fail. The whole compilation will fail. Okay. So why? Because here we are taking at one shot. So hence, if there is any single error, the whole compilation will fail. Okay. Done. Now, the languages, for example, programming languages use what? Compiler. All programming languages use compiler as a translator. Is this clear, everyone? All compiler use what? Sorry, all programming languages use what? Compiler as a translator. Done. Next. Now, next we are seeing next type of translator, which is called as a interpreter. Now, what happens in interpreter? In interpreter, you convert each line one by one. You convert each line one by one. Is this clear, everyone? So what happens here is we convert each line one by one. So it is not taking at a shot, but every single line is getting taken and it is getting converted. It's taken and getting converted. Then this type of for example, translator is what? Interpreter, and this process is called as interpretation. Done. Now in interpretation, okay, here suppose there is error in line number 4. Now what happens? Will the whole conversion fail? No. Here, since it is happening line by line, error is in 4th line. First 3 lines will get converted into what? Binary. But here, at the 4th line, it is when it will fail. Now, if there is an error, it is not that the whole translation will fail. Only what? Till the where there is error, there only it will fail. Rest of them will get successfully. It's not like compilation. Done. That is what is interpreter. Now, all scripting languages use interpreter. Is this clear? All scripting languages like PHP, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, they use interpreter as their translator. Understood? Okay. Now here we saw about some differences between programming language and scripting languages. That is same as compilation itself. Done. Now, next thing. Okay. How many of you know about Java process? Everyone? How many of you know about Java process here? Yes, this is the reason scripting languages are slow. Prakash, yes, very good. How many of you know Java process? Okay. Now, in Java process, usually there are 3 processes. One is coding, one is compilation, and one is execution. Okay. One is coding, one is compilation, and one is execution. Done. Now, first, as a user, what we do? First, we write program. Yes. That program, we store it in what? .java class. That program, we store it in .java class. Now, this whatever program we have written here, we are feeding it to what? Java C. What is Java C? Java C is a compiler, everyone. Okay. Now, what does Java C do? It will take the whole code and it will convert it into a bytecode file. Bytecode file. That bytecode file is stored in what? .class file. Is stored in what? .class file. Now, this .class file is taken by JVM and it is converted to instructions for CPU. Converted for instructions for CPU. Now, what is JVM here? JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. Okay. Now, what is JRE? JRE is Java Runtime Environment. JRE is what? Java Runtime Environment. If you want to use JVM, JRE is compulsory. You need to have a runtime environment. Inside that, your JVM will run. Okay. Inside this, the JVM will run. Okay. Now here, the process of converting .java file into .class file is known as what? Compilation, my dear friends. Okay, is known as what? Compilation. The process of consuming .class file by JVM and giving it as an instruction to CPU is known as what? Execution. Execution phase. Now, if there is any error during compilation phase, it is known as compilation error. If there is any error during the execution, whenever you're converting .class file and running it, if there is any error, that is known as execution error or runtime error. Runtime error. That is why you'll see sometimes whenever we compile, we don't get error. But when we run the program, we get error. That is because of these 2 reasons, because these 2 are a separate process. Compiling is a separate process. Execution is a separate process. What happens in compilation? In compilation, mostly we will check like a grammatical error, syntax error. Okay. All of those things. Okay. What happens during execution? We will discuss that in the future classes. Understood? This is what is Java process, guys. This is very, very important. If you want to understand Java properly, this process is very important to understand. Okay. Done. Anyone has any doubt in this process? Please, you can ask. People who have joined today, JRE. Okay, JRE is a Java runtime environment. Okay, JRE is just what? Java runtime environment. It will not do anything actually. It is like a environment. Now, if human beings want to stay on Earth, we have this environment. It doesn't do anything. It powers us. Okay, powers us. Okay, now this whole thing, sorry, I missed this part. The whole thing is provided in what? Something known as a JDK. What is JDK? JDK is Java Development Kit. Okay, Java Development Kit. Now, this Java Development Kit consists of what? JRE, JVM, and Java C. Java C. Understood? This whole thing is provided in a JDK. Okay, done. This is something is which we discussed. Okay, now, yeah, Farooq, you have some doubt?
Yeah, Prithvi. Like if we create, if we run our program, it will create .class file, right, on the compilation.
Yes, it will create a .class file. Yes.
If you have any compilation error at that execution level,
Execution
we'll
level,
get
why
errors.
will you have compilation error? Compilation error
executing,
will yeah, please ask. Yeah.
We'll get some compilation error, right, while running that code.
Yeah, that whatever you see in online editor, right? The whole process of compilation and execution, they are combined together. Okay, when you click on run, compilation occurs and then execution occurs, and you'll get the error as a single. But we will see in I will show you, okay, in the class key what happens when you compile, what is different stages. Okay, I will show it in one example. Okay, there
Okay,
you will
if,
understand.
in that
correctly.
case, if
Mhm.
if you get any compilation error,
Mhm.
will the .class file will generate or not?
That we'll see next.
Okay, okay, then. Thanks.
Done. Okay, cool.
Done.
So let us see that now. Okay. Now, before going to that level, first I want to ask one question. Is Java platform dependent or platform independent, guys? Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. I will say it is not platform independent. It is platform dependent. Let us see. What are you saying, Prithvi? How can it be platform dependent? We will see that it is actually not platform independent. Okay.
Independent.
Sorry.
Didn't get it, sir.
No.
On what? On independent.
Platform. Do you know what is platform dependent and platform independent? Is this Ram speaking?
Yes, sir. Ram.
Yeah, Ram. See, platform dependent मतलब मेरे पास Mac OS है, ठीक है? और मेरे पास I have a Windows machine. Now, if I want to run it on this, and if I want to run it on this, that is platform dependency. Okay? मतलब platform is your Mac and Windows. Okay? Done? Okay, done. No need to explain. I will explain, Prakash. Done? Okay. Now let us first see what is platform dependency. First, let us see what is platform dependency. Done. Now, back in the days before Java was invented, okay, back in the days when Java was invented, we used to use programming languages like C, C++. Yeah. Now, let us say we have this programming language C. Done. Now, as usual, we will write the code in .C class. Yes, as usual, we'll write the .c files. And now, in which machine are we developing this code? In which machine are we developing? We are developing it in Windows machine. Done. So I wrote the code in .c in a Windows machine computer. I have a Windows computer. I wrote the code. Now, I will obviously give it to C compiler. Yes. Now, the C compiler will convert it into bytecode. Now, this bytecode is stored in .obj file. Okay. Now, when I will run this try to execute this .obj file, which got converted in the Windows machine. Okay. In the Windows machine. Okay. It will run successfully. Suppose you wrote a method function to add two numbers. At that time, it was a great thing. Say when computers were invented, we were like, oh, we can add two numbers. So you wrote a basic calculator, some code where first feature you developed was to add two numbers. Then you are doing for multiplication and everything. So you're like, okay, let me develop a calculator. Now you want your friends to try it out. Bro, I written a code to add two numbers. Can you run it? Okay. Now, your friend is using what? Mac OS. Okay. And one of your friend is using Linux OS. And one of your friend is using some Android OS like Chromebook or something like that. Now, this .obj file, you will share it with them. Okay. Bro, try and run it. Now, what happened in those case, you were not able to run it. You were not able to run it. Why? Because it got compiled using what? Windows environment. The platform was Windows. So if the platform was Windows, this obj file was not able to run it on Mac, Linux, or Android, anything. Then now if I want to run this .obj, I want the users to be able to run this program in their machine. I want to compile it. So what will I do? Again, I had to take a Mac machine, separate Mac machine, write the code again, compile it using Mac compiler. Then this .obj file will get converted and this will run in Mac. Now, this whatever obj file, this will only run in Mac. It will not run in Windows, not run in Linux, not run in Android. At that time, computers were very costly, guys. Now also we cannot afford actually to have a Mac, have a Windows, have a Linux, separate machines, right? If you afford also, will you keep writing everything? Imagine, first I will write in Linux, then I will compile, I'll get a file. Then I will write in Windows, compile, I'll get a file. Then I will write in Mac. Will I keep doing that? Yes, no, right? See again, now I wrote in Linux. I compiled. This will only run in Linux. It will not run in Windows, Mac, or this thing. Now, there will be so many files. Yes, maintaining these files only will be a great difficulty. Yes or no? So the founder of Java was like, shit, I don't want to do this. He was very lazy. Okay. He was very lazy. He was like, I don't want to do this. I want to develop something where if I can compile it in one platform, I can run it in multiple platform. Okay. So then he invented what? Java. Now what happens in Java, my dear friends? You already know the Java process. We write .java file. We give it to the compiler. Compiler compiles into bytecode and this .class file. Okay. Now this .class file will run in Windows machine. Now, if you want to run this .class file in Windows machine, you need to install JRE and JVM, right? You need JVM to run the .class file. Yes or no? Now, what happened? This .class file, no matter in which environment it is run, it can be executed in Mac, it can be executed in Linux, it can be executed in other operating system also. But here, my dear friends, this .class file, say tomorrow I will create my own OS, Prithvi OS. Will it run it in Prithvi OS? Will it run it in Prithvi OS? No, it won't run. The reason being there is no JDK, Java Development Kit developed for Prithvi OS. See, .class file is run by whom? It is run by JVM. So actually what is happening, my dear friends, in the background, if you see, Mac has a separate JDK. Okay, we have to install the JDK in Mac. It will have JRE. Inside that, we will have JVM. So whenever I get the .class file, this JVM will run it in the Mac system. Similarly, you have to install JDK for Linux. It will have Java runtime environment. Inside that, you will have JVM. The JVM will take this .class file and it will run it. Now, similarly, in Android or in Chrome OS, if you want to run Java, you will have JDK separately for this, a JRE. The JRE will have Java virtual machine. This Java virtual machine will take the .class file and it will run. Understood? It will run. Is this clear, everyone? Because now tell me, is Java truly platform independent? Can I take this Java and run it anywhere I want it? You cannot even install Java if there is no JDK for that particular operating system. Yes, Prithvi OS doesn't have. Tomorrow, Ram Bachchan will come with one more, Bachchan OS. For that, again, we have to sit and develop Java development kit. Yes or no? Forget that. Even for different processor, different 30, so suppose it is 32-bit, 64-bit, there are different versions of JDK. Okay. It even depends on that level. Because at end of the day, you have to convert it into what? Everything, whatever code you written, you have to convert it in ones and zeros. It also depends at how much ones and zeros it can store in this thing, in a particular integer and long and all of those things, right? So again, it depends on this thing. Now, yeah, .class file we can transfer, Swatiji. Now, my dear friends, I'll ask you one question. Is compiler platform dependent or platform independent? Can you take Java C compiler and run it in Mac? No, not at all possible. Can you take this JRE JVM of Windows 7 and run it on Android or Linux or Mac OS? No. JRE, JVM, and the compiler, all of these three are platform dependent, everyone. These are platform dependent. Only thing which is platform independent is what? The dot class file. Only thing which is platform independent is what? The dot class file. Is this clear? Yeah. Because this is the only thing which is platform independent. The rest of them are platform dependent. Only you can take dot class file and run it in different. Yes, byte codes, hexadecimal ones and zeros. Actually, this will have hexadecimals that is stored in dot class file information. Now, the instruction which will get converted like ones and zeros, this will be converted by help of JVM and JRE. Okay, clear? So I'm going really fast. I understand this whole class took me more than 1.5 hours. I completed this in half an hour. This is like a revision class. Okay, done. Okay, if any doubt, please ask me. Okay, understood. So dot class file is the only true independent. And now can you say Java is platform dependent or independent? Is Java truly platform independent? No. Java is platform independent given for that platform there is JDK available. Understood? Okay. Now let me share my screen. Okay. And we will write out, like we will see the process of compilation and everything. Okay. Just give me a moment. Anyone has any doubt so far? Anyone has any doubt so far? Just give me a moment, guys. Can you guys see my screen? Is it clear or is it blurry? I want to ask that first. Is it clear or it is blur? Clear, right? Can you see the text properly? Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Now, let me create a new folder. Let us call it revision. Okay. Now, let me close all of this. Okay. So as usual, what we need to do whenever we write a Java program, right? See, you guys have written, I think in, what do you say, in online editor. This is Visual Studio Code I'm using. Okay. Now, let us create a new file. Now, whenever you create a new file, okay, first, for example, let us keep it some dummy. Okay. We'll keep some dummy dot text file. Let us use a text file. Let us not use a Java file. Let us use a text file. Because this is, I'm using Windows. In Windows, we don't have proper text editor and I'm not able to save it in TXT and convert. In Windows, you can use a notepad. Always, whenever learning a new programming language, never use IDE, never use code completion like Eclipse. Don't use that. That is why I'm writing .txt and writing the program. Okay. So for any Java program, first you need to write as class. Okay. And class name followed by class name. Say class name is program. Okay. Now, if you want to run something, there is boilerplate code written, which is public static void main, which most of you know already who are here. Okay. So string args done. Okay. Chalo. Now, only thing why I'm doing this is to show you the compilation thing. Okay. Now, let me run here system dot out dot print ln. Okay. Here, say I will write hello Java batch. Done. I will save it. Now, while you're saving it, remember one thing, while you're saving it, your file name should be similar to your class name. What is our class name, everyone? Class name is program. Class name is program. Done. Now, program, and we should save it as what? Program.java. Program.java. See, why I didn't write it in Java means you'll get like inset highlighting like this. I don't want that. Okay. So now, once you save it as program.java, you have to open your terminal. Okay, I will close it. If you're using Visual Studio Code, you can go on the top here. For Windows, it is different. For Mac, it's different. You have to open a new terminal here. Okay, now I will do ls. ls means listing the available. cd, I'll go to the folder called revision. Enter. I went into revision folder. Done. Now, what is the first step? What is the first step of Java process? Coding. Have we done with coding? Yes. Now, what is the second step? Compilation. Yes, the second step is what? Compilation. Now, to do compilation, what we need to do, everyone? We need to give it to what? The file we have to give it to Java compiler. So you have to write Java C space the file. Java C, you have to give the file name. Okay, file name is what? Class name itself. Now, if I enter this, okay, see, okay, spelling mistake. Okay, now if I enter this, if there is no error, the compilation will be successful and .class file will get created. Yes, I will enter. Now, was there any error? No, there was no error. So see here, can you guys see? We created .class file. Yeah, we created .class file. So this is the beauty of it. Understood? This is the beauty of it. Is this clear, everyone? So whenever we write Java C and compile, we will get .class file if there is no error. Now let me delete this file. Okay. And we will only introduce one error. Okay, let us remove the semicolon, which most of you, whenever you are new to Java language, you'll do this. I will save it. Okay. Now I will write Java C program.java. Now, is there error? Yes, expected semicolon. Now, did .class file get created here? No, .class file didn't get created. Why? Because it's using compilation. If there is a single error in a compilation, the whole compilation process will fail. Is that clear, everyone? Yeah. Okay. Now what we will do here? We will change it. Now, again, if I run Java C, oh, what happened? Still I'm getting error. Why? I've added semicolon. No, still I'm getting error. Why? The reason is you have to save the file, everyone. I have not saved the file. See here, dot, you can see, and not save the file. So I have to save the file. Then you have to again compile. See, now there is no error. You got it. Now, the next step, first step coding is done. Second step compilation is done. What's the third step? Execution. Now, if you want to do execution, what you need to do? If you want to do execution, what you need to do? You need to give it to JVM compiler. So for that, we have command Java. Okay, what are we giving to the this thing? .class file, right? Yes, we're giving .class file. So we should give program.class. Yeah. Okay. Let me enter. Oh, what is happening? It is telling Java language class not found exception. Yes. See here. Oh, what happened? What happened? You should not give .class file, everyone. You should not give program.class. What you need to do here is you need to just give it the class name. You have to just give it to the class name. So when you give it the class name, it will automatically take the .class file and it will execute. Understood? Automatically it will take the .class file and it will execute. Now if I run it, yes, did we get the output? Hello Java batch. Yes or yes or clear, everyone? So this is your Java thing done. Now you can ask, sir, what if I don't save the file? What if I don't save the file name can be different and class name can be different? Yes or no? Yes. Can we say that? Now, what can I do? What can I do? Here, let me change the file to program new class name. File name is same only. File name is same only. I will delete it. Move to trash. Done. Now, if I run it, Java program dot Java. Java C. Program.java. It was successful. But can you guys see here what is the dot class file name? Dot class file name is similar to what? Your class name. Understood? So that is why we say you should not get confused. So what you will do, as usual, you will try to run Java program and you'll click enter. It will say class not found exception, call not found exception. Why? Because your dot class file got created using what? Your class name. Yes. So that is why we say that usually keep that. But you can also argue, sir, in one class, can we have more than one? In one file, can we have more than one class? That all we will see in the future classes, not now. Okay. So that is why, just to not to get confused. It's not like a mandate rule that it should be there, just to not get confused. That is why always keep your file name and your this similar. Understood, guys? Yeah. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Chalo. Done. Now comes the main part. Okay. Which we will be learning. Okay. That is we will be learning. Where did it go? Okay. We'll be learning the main thing now. Done. For someone like me who has never coded anywhere other than online ID, I get nothing here. You're not understanding, Sabana? Okay. See, now, whatever you're seeing here, this is an editor, okay? This is an editor, text editor. It can be anything, Sabana. Okay? So that is why I'm like, this is a revision class, right? This is not a like detailed class. So for detailed class, I will share you the recording there. You can watch it. Okay. So here, what we are doing here is, okay. You say I will create a new. So here, what I'm doing here is I'm creating a new file. Okay. I will share the notes. Don't worry. For this, actually, you would require a Windows machine, or else what you can do is see it. Simple is that. So open a Visual Studio Editor. So what I'm doing here is I am creating a new file. Okay. I am writing this whatever class and everything done, and I'm storing it in .java file. Okay. Now you should know what is a terminal. Okay. What is a terminal? How you can switch CD. Okay. Go to that particular file and how to run Java. So first we need to install JDK and everything. Okay. That is a different session only. This is like quick revision. So please bear with me. If you want to understand everything, then we can have like a separate session for it. Okay. Maybe over the weekend where I will, for whoever who have not, don't know anything, like completely don't know any idea about how to run it in PC, right? I can bring a Windows PC and like I have a Windows laptop. I can bring that and I can explain you each process step by step. That works. Yes, Avanaji, that works. Maybe some session on weekend, we can do that. Okay. We'll go detailed. Okay. Most like how to write file, how to install, maybe everything I will show. That will be an extra session, not this. Okay. Done. Because why I'm covering this today is tomorrow I am going to teach other concepts. Okay. So for that, it is very important to know these concepts. Okay. For now, ignore this, but we'll cover it in over this weekend. Pakka this weekend, we will have a session. Done. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Now, can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now here, guys, since most of you are from Scalar already, you already know all of these things. Yes, you already know all of these things. Okay. Why I'm teaching Java is to make sure you understand the OOPS concept really well. Okay. You understand what is a class, what is an object. Okay. What is inheritance, all of those things. So this cohort is mainly focused on OOPS concept. Okay. Not basics of Java. Basics of Java, you already know. Okay. I'm covering only the things which you don't know. Okay. Understood? So we'll not go with operators, all of these things. We are skipping. Done. Anyone has any issue with this? Yeah, we are skipping this part because we already know this in some capacity. Done. Okay, chalo. Now, time for a story. Let me clear all of these things. Okay. Now say this is a house. Okay. Now this is a house. Since my favorite example person is there in the class, say Ram Bachchan got married. Ram Bachchan, are you married? No, right? No. Okay. Cool. So this is Ram's house. Okay. Ram got married. Okay. Ram got married, and Ram has two beautiful kids, Chinna and name is Chinna and Chinnu. Chinna and Chinnu. Okay. Like let us name them Munna and Munni. Take it. We'll take a new name today. Munna and Munni. Okay. Got two beautiful children, Munna and Munni. And obviously he has a wife. Done. So now Ram Bachchan's house. Ram Bachchan's house, what happened here is Munna and Munni are very naughty. Munna and Munni are very naughty. Okay. They'll come to the bathroom, they'll play outside, come to use this bathroom, and they'll make it dirty. Ram Bachchan is very cleanliness freak. Like, I want everything clean and perfect. Okay. So he made a rule in the house. Okay. This bedroom, Bacho, this bedroom is only for your papa and mummy. You should not come here. Okay. Only people of this master bedroom can use this bathroom. Okay. And you use your bathroom. Do not use our bathroom. If you want, if this bathroom is occupied, you can go and use the guest bathroom. Okay. So that is what rule Mr. Bachchan made in his house. Done. So what can Munna and Munni use? Yes. What bathrooms can Munna and Munni use? Munna and Munni can use this bathroom of their room and this bathroom. Yes. Can they use this bathroom? Can they use this bathroom? No, they cannot use, because if they use, Ram Bachchan Papa will give a nice slap tuck. Why did you use this bathroom? Understood? Okay, they can use this room, they can use this room. So which all room Munna and Munni can use? They can use this bathroom and they can use this bathroom. Understood? Now, say Ram Bachchan's friend. Ram Bachchan's friend, tomorrow I am walking. So I am like walking on the road. Okay, I'm walking on the road, and suddenly I want to go to washroom. I don't like going to public toilets. I see, oh, Ram's house is here only. I will go and I will say, Ram, I want to use a washroom. So which washroom will Ram give me? He will definitely not give his bathroom. Yes. Yes or no? Will he let me use his bathroom? No. There will be some guest bathroom outside in the hall. So he will tell me, Prithvi, you use this bathroom. Can I use this bathroom, everyone? No. Can I use this bathroom as a guest of the house? Can I use this bathroom? No, I cannot use the children bathroom also. No, because children will be like, they'll have their own separate space. We do not want to disturb them. Usually that is the case. Whoever guest comes, we will say, please use the guest bathroom. Done. Now, say there is this random person, okay, random dude walking in the street, like chilling. Now, can he come and start using this bathroom, or this bathroom? First of all, can he enter the house? No. If he cannot enter the house, can he go and pee here or do his business here? Can he do his business here? No, he cannot do his business here. Can he do his business here? Obviously, this bathroom also he cannot do only. Yes, this bathroom he cannot do only. Yeah, this bathroom he cannot do. Next. Now, can Mr. Ram Bachchan and his wife, can they use this bathroom, everyone? Can they use this bathroom? Yes. Can they use the children's bathroom? Yes, they are the owners of the house, right? They are owners of the house. They can definitely use this bathroom. Yes. Now, can they use this bathroom, everyone? Yeah, they can use this bathroom. I'll use different color for Ram Bachchan ji. They can use this bathroom. They can use this bathroom. And they can use this bathroom. Now, this random person walking in the street, can he use any of the bathrooms of this house? Can you use this bathroom? No. Can you use this bathroom? No. Can you use this bathroom? No. But there is one public toilet. There is one public toilet, public shauchalaya. But obviously there will be one guy sitting here taking 5 rupees for your business. Okay. Now, हल्का होने के लिए भी पैसा देना पड़ता है आजकल. Now here he'll go. Okay. Now can he use public bathroom? This random dude, can he use public bathroom? Yes. Can I use public bathroom? Can this red dude use public bathroom? Yes. Can Ram Bachchan use the public bathroom? Yes. Can Munna and Munni use public bathroom? Yes. Munna and Munni can also use public bathroom. Understood? So what are we doing? By here, are we not restricting the access here for this particular bathroom? Restricting the access here for this particular bathroom? Restricting access here for this particular bathroom. And this particular bathroom also has some access defined. Yes or no? Who can access this bathroom, everyone? Who can access this bathroom? Everyone, right? This is everyone can use this bathroom. This is public, right? Everyone in our example can use this bathroom. Why? Because this is a public bathroom. Now, who can use this bathroom? Who can use this bathroom? Everyone. Only Ram and his wife can use this bathroom. Yes. So now this bathroom where only the people of owning this particular bedroom can use. Only people of this bedroom can use. That kind of bathroom, we will call it, say, private bathroom. We'll call it what? Private bathroom. Yeah. Understood? We call it what? Private bathroom. Now, who can utilize this bathroom, everyone? Who can use this bathroom? Ram can use? Ram and Ram's wife can use this bathroom. Munna and Munni can use this bathroom. But any guest, can they use this bathroom? Any guest of this house, can they use this bathroom? No. So can I say this is kind of protected bathroom? Protected from outsider, guest. Can I say that? Okay. Now, whoever is related to this house can use this bathroom. Can I say whoever is related to this house, can they use this bathroom? Right? The guest of the house, someone came, relative of the house, right? All the members of the house, they use this bathroom. So I will call this as default bathroom. Okay. I'll call this as default bathroom. So what are we specifying here? What are we specifying? Access to that particular bathroom. Ki bhai, the people of this bedroom can only use the bathroom. People of this bedroom, but they should be related, can be used the protected bathroom. Here, anyone who is belonging to this house, even guest also can use this bathroom. Understood? Similarly, guys, in Java, this is nothing but one bedroom is nothing but a class. This is one class. This is one class. This is one class. Now this whole thing, the whole outer thing, for now, know that this is a package, everyone. This is a package. Okay. Anyone who is related to this package can use what? Default. Can use default. Am I related to this package? Yes, I am related to Ram, right? I am his instructor friend, so I can use this bathroom. Now, is this dude related to this package? Is this random person related to this package? No, he is not related. If he is not related, can he use any of the bathrooms here? No, he cannot use any of the bathrooms. Now, can I as a guest use this bathroom? Can I as a guest use this bathroom? I came in as a guest. Can I use this bathroom? No, only protected. It is protected. Here, can I say that only members who have some relationship with these members of the class can use this bathroom? Yeah, can I say that? Okay, so this is what we are talking, guys, is known as what? Access specifier. It is known as what? Access specifier. Now, whenever I say private, it can only be used what? Class members. Are these two the members of the class? Member of this bathroom? Yes, these two are member of this bathroom. Only these people can use this bathroom. Now, default, accessed by any class with same package. Same package means what? They are related to this package. Okay. Now, what is protected? Any class with relationship. Okay. Any class with relationship with this class members can utilize this bathroom. That is what? Protected, everyone. Okay. Now, what is public? Public means what? Anyone can use. Anyone can use. So now what is private, default, protected, and public? These are keywords. These are keywords. Okay. Now, if you want to specify an access key, bhai, this fellow can use this, member can utilize this member can utilize this. So what are we using, everyone? What are we using? We are using what? Access specifier. Now everyone understood what is access specifier? Everyone understood what is access specifier? Access specifier is telling what? Who all can use this. For now, just understand that who all can use this. Remember this example of bathroom. Okay. So what is one bedroom? One bedroom is nothing but a class. This is a class. This is also one room. This is also a class. Okay. Then what is a house? House is a package. House is a package. So remember this example. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. Anyone has any doubt here so far? No doubt. Okay. So this is what is access specifier. Is this clear? That's it. We will just know that for now. Slowly we will learn where it is used, how it is used, why it is used, what is the relevance of it. Slowly we will learn it in the coming classes. For now, this is enough. Done? Okay. Chalo. Now everyone learned what is access specifier. Now let us go and learn what is a method. Okay. So I'll simply tell you method is nothing, guys. In a simple words, method is an action performed. Yes or no? Like for example, add two numbers, subtract two numbers, multiply two numbers, get the list of users. Okay. Get what is remainder. Okay. Get a prime number, whether a prime number is true or not. So can I say this is nothing but method? Yes. Method is nothing but in Java. Can I say these are nothing but actions? Yeah, these are nothing but actions. Then, okay. Now, there are two steps to use a method, guys. First one is what? You need to define and create a method. Then you need to call a method. Okay. Now, for creating the method, there is a simple syntax. That is, first we need to say what is this access specifier, access modifier, a return type, method name, open and close round brackets, and curly braces. Now, whatever is there inside this curly braces, this is known as what? Method body. And whatever this you see here, this is known as what? Method signature. Okay, what is this? This is method signature and this is method body. Access specifier. Do we know what is access specifier? Yes, we have learned just now. What is access specifier? Access specifier, access modifier, return type, and method name. Now here, method name only is what? User given. Okay, user can write what is the method name. Rest of return type, access modifier, and access specifier. These are all what? Keywords, my dear friends. We have to follow this. Keywords, matlab, this is a syntax. Then, okay. Now, for an example, public. Is this an access specifier? Yes. Static is an access modifier. Okay. Public, static, void, move. Now, what is move? Move is the name of this particular method. Move is the name of this particular method. Now, what is public? Public is access specifier. What is static? Access modifier. What is void? Void is a return type. Void means I am returning nothing. Okay, that you already guys know what is void. Void means what? We are returning that thing. Okay. Now, this is the first step. Okay, we created the method. Now, what we need to do? Next, we need to call the method. How do we call the method? You simply have to use method name. Okay. And you have to do what? This. Open and close. And this is how you call a method. What are the two steps? Create a method and call a method. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. Is this clear? Okay. Guys, someone, can you go and mute? Who is that? Can you please go on mute? Okay. Okay, I have muted everyone. You can use chat. Done. Okay. If you want any doubt, please raise your hand and you can, I will unmute and I can ask. Okay. I have muted everyone. Otherwise it will get captured in the recording. Okay. Chalo, is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? We will see that. We will see the use of access modifier. Have we studied what is access modifier? No, we have not studied what is access modifier. Once we study what is access modifier, you will get to know, okay, what is the use of access modifier. Method and function both are same. Method and function are both same only. Okay, it's just a different name. Like some people call it method, some people call it function. Okay, usually in Java you will use the word method, not functions. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Now let us see some example here. Let us see some example here. Okay. Now let me share the screen. Okay, can you guys see the screen here? Can you guys see the screen here? Yeah. Okay. Now let me create a new file. Okay. See here, whenever you write a Java, so basically, Sabana ji, I'm creating a new file here. Okay. It will get created in your folder. Say I will create here method revision dot Java. Okay. See here, I gave space, then it became a different thing. I will rename this. So now this is a Java file. Okay. As usual, we will have class. Okay. Say we will write method program. What is that? Method revision, right? Method revision is the class name. Okay. Inside this, what will have? Public static void main. Main is also a method, right? Main is also a method. Can you see here? It also has access specifier, access modifier, return type, name. Yep. Okay. Now, my question is, where all can we create method? Can I create method here in the one option? Can I create method here at second option? Can I create method here at third option? Or can I create method here at fourth option? Where all can I create method? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I don't know. Let us write method. First, I will write it in first option. Let us see, will it work or not? Okay. So what is the syntax to create a method? Public, access specifier, access modifier. For now, only we will use static. Static. Now, what is the return type? Return type will say it is void. We'll see what is the return type. Done. Void. Then I'll give some method name. Say I will give move. Okay. So here we will write system dot out dot print I am moving. Okay. Okay. Now let us compile this. Okay. To compile, we use Java C. Java C space what, guys? File name, right? What is the file name? Method revision. So when you type method, you can click tab. Automatically, it will take it off. Done. Method revision.java. I entered. Oh, what is it saying? Illegal sort of expression. That means, can I use it here? Method. Can I write a method inside a method? This is a main method, right? Can I write a method inside a method? No. Now, can I write a method outside the class? Outside the class, before class. Let us see. Let us see. No, we cannot do that. Still, we are getting error. Chalo. Now, can I write the method, say, outside the class here also? Below the class. Here also I cannot write it. Still getting error. Now, we saw one, one is not working. We saw 4 is not working. Now let us see 3. Let us see 3. Done. I will save it. Now, if I run it, will it work? Yes. Did we get any error? No error. See, method revision.class file got created. So that means we can create it here. Now let me remove this. Okay. Let me delete this file. Now, third option we tried. This will work. Great. Now let me cite the second option. What if I write it after the main method, but inside the class? Inside the class. Yes, this also works. This also works. See, dot class file got created and there is no error. Is that clear, everyone? So where we can write a method? Where we can write a method? We can write a method inside the class, but outside main method. inside the class, outside a method. We cannot write it outside the class or inside method. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. And where we write, does it matter whether we write it first or last? No, it doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. Done. Okay. Now it got successfully compiled. Yes, it got successfully compiled. Now let me run it. So to run, what we do, we use the class name and Java and click on enter. Okay. Now what is happening here? I will give. No, I have not saved it, I guess. Is the spelling wrong? Is the spelling wrong? Yeah, spelling is wrong. Revision. Here it is only revision. That is why. So here I should add a I. That is why same. There should be same. There should be class name and file name. Just that is why it should be same. Okay. So that means this will become RIVISION. Now I will enter it. I am in main. But why I am in move is not getting called? Only main method is getting called. Why is move method not getting called? Why is move method not getting called? Why we have to call it in main? Why did I call main? Did I call main method? First tell me, did I call main method anywhere? I only ran it, right? I've just only written. Have I called main method anywhere? No. But still why main method is getting called? Because by default, everyone, main method will get called. Always remember, whenever you run Java program, your main method will always get called first. Okay. That is why if you want to call any method, you have to first call it in main method. So what is the syntax to call a method? Method name, open and close round bracket, save. So now if I run it, you need to recompile again. Every time you need to recompile. So are we getting the output here? Everyone have a look at the output. Yes, I am in main, I am in move. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? This is what your main method thing. Done. Okay. Now let us write a, say I have already written this. I'll show you. Let us write a temple run program. Okay. Can you guys see this code? Yeah. Can you guys see this code? Now here, do you guys remember temple run? Do you guys remember temple run game which we used to play? Yes. There the character could move left and right. He could jump and he could slide, right? That is what I have written. Okay. So here in main method, so first the main method is getting executed. In main method, what am I doing? I'm calling the move method. Okay. Inside move method, I'm calling jump method. Okay. Next, I have written jump method. Inside jump method, I'm calling slide method. Now then finally, what is happening? We are executing the slide method. Okay. Now let us run this program. Let us run this program. I'll copy this. New file. Temple run.java. Okay, enter. Now I will paste this code here. Done. Okay. Now let us open the terminal here. Okay. We are inside which class? We are inside revision class. ls. When I do ls, it is showing me the file. In terminal also we can move, like graphical, we are doing this graphically. We are checking the folder, right? So ls means list the number of files and folders. So it will show me that all the files available in this particular folder revision. That is what I'm doing here, right? Now we have this file. So now let me compile this file first. Java C temple run.java. Okay, now can you guys see here? Temple run dot Java. Did the class file got generated here? Why is it not showing? Weird. Oh, I didn't save it. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, now it got created. Thank you very much, Narendra. Now can you see it got created? Now if I run it, what will be the output, everyone? If I run this, what will be the output? Can anyone guess? What will be the output? In main method starts, then will it print move first, jump first, slide first? How will be the, tell me the methods, which all method will get executed? Okay, let us see. Let us see. Temple run, I will run it. Okay, can you guys see the output, everyone here? In main method starts, I am moving, I am jumping, I am sliding, sliding done, jumping done, move done, and in main method ends. Yes, there is certain flow happening, right? First, what is happening? Main method starts is getting executed. I am moving, I am jumping, I am sliding. Then after that, I am sliding done. Then I am jumping done, move done. Then main method ends. There is certain kind of pattern which is going on. Let us see what is that pattern, everyone. Yeah. Okay. So the pattern here is, can you guys see my iPad screen? Yeah. Okay. Now the pattern is very simple. Okay, everyone, execution, you have to remember one thing. Execution always happens from top to bottom and left to right. Okay, now first main method will get executed. Yes or no? First main method will get executed. Now from once main method is get executed, first will come and will print what? Main starts. So here the output will be main starts. Done. Next, we will call move method. So once we call move method, what is happening here? Here from here, we are going to move method. Okay, we'll go to move method. Now, once we go to move method, which line will get executed? I am moving. So I am moving is getting executed. Now, once I am moving is done, which method is getting, what is the next line here? Jump. So as soon as you see jump, where will your control go? Your control will go to what? The jump method. Okay, now we will come inside jump method. Which line is getting executed here? I am jumping. So I am jumping will get printed. Now after this, what we will go? We'll go to the slide method. We'll go to the slide method. Now once we go to the slide method, what's happening? Now here we will go to slide method. Here we're calling slide method. We'll go to slide method. Now first we will print what? I am sliding. I am sliding. Next we'll print what? Sliding done. Sliding done. Now is the execution of this whole function done, everyone? Is the execution of the whole function done? Is there any line remaining here? No, there is no line remaining. We are done with it. Now where will we go then? From here, we will go back to the, from where the method was called. Not to the main method, we'll go back to the, from where the slide method was called, from the jump method. We'll go back to this line, from where it got executed. Now after that, what we will do, we will write jumping done. Jumping done. Now is the whole function done? Yes. Now where should we go? Where it was called? Where it was called jump method. Jump method was called in move method. Now we'll come to move method. This line is done. We'll come and execute what? Moving done. So from where the jump method, from where move method was called, it is done. It was called from main method. So from here, we will directly go here. Now this is already done. We'll come and execute main ends, main ends. So this is how your flow occurs in a method. So whichever method we will call, the flow will go back to that calling method. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. Similarly, in method, we have a method with return type. method with return type. What does method with return type define, everyone? What does method with return type define? That means if I call this method, it will return something. Okay. Now, whenever I say void, void means what? Nothing. So if I call this method, will I get anything in return? No, I won't get anything in return because it is nothing, void. Similarly, a method with return type, we have access specifier, access modifier, and return type. Usually what we used so far was void. Now we will use some different methods with return type. Done. Here's the example which we discussed. Now, what is this? This is an integer method. Okay, public static int test. Now here, whenever I call this method, what is the return type here, guys? Return type is integer. Now, if you want to return something, you have to use the keyword called return int 40. Okay. So now this will return what? 40, and we will store it in the variable. Now you have to understand that whatever is the variable type and whatever this method will return, test method, they both should match. You cannot have a string here called num and this method test will return you an integer. That will not work. Okay. So the return type and the variable name should match. And whatever you're returning and the return type should also match. Okay. Similarly, in this example, what we are seeing, the return type is what? String. And what am I returning here? I'm returning a string. Now to return what we use the keyword called return. Okay. So that is it, guys. Here, similarly, we saw one example, get some. Okay. Here, what is happening here? If you see, if I return 2 plus 3, what is it returning? 5. Is 5 a integer? Yes, these two are matching. So whenever I call get some, in sum, what is stored here? 5 is stored. Now, let us see another example here. Now, what is the return type here, everyone? Here, return type is integer. Yes, this is integer. But what is this? 2 plus 3 will 3.5 will give you what? By default, what is the, if I do 2.3.5, by default in Java, always remember it is double, not float, it is double. Now, what is this returning? Double. Can I return double as an integer? For example, say I have an int, say a. Can I store 3.5 in a variable integer? No, it will throw us error, right? Possible loosely conversion. So same rules, whatever applies to variable, my dear friends, the same rule will apply to this. The same rule will apply to return also. So return and whatever you return should match and should support. If it is double, this will throw error. Okay, this will throw error. Now, somehow we fixed this. I converted this to double. Now here, this is int, but I am returning double. Will that work? Am I returning double? Will that work? No, your receiver also should become what? Double. Receiver variable should also become double. Is that clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt so far? No doubt? Pakka 100% sure? Okay. So I think that is there. And next, okay, this will take more time, guys. I think we don't have so much of time. This I will be covering in later part of class. Okay, this will take a lot of time. Okay, we can have another session for this. Okay. So we covered 2 classes today. Okay, there are actually 3 classes. I thought only 2 classes. There are actually 3 classes. Okay, so this is actually very important. This class here, we like method with argument. This is okay. You can ignore this part. But what is scope of a variable and member of a class? These are very, very important. Okay, it's already 8:24. Let us take a break. Some of you have class at 9. I also have a class at 9. Okay, a recording of this class will be shared. Okay, and the notes also will be shared. Do not worry. I am creating a platform. The platform is a Graphy. I'm not creating, I'm using a platform where I'll upload all the recorded classes and notes. So you guys can go and refer to that. Okay, done. Sorry, everyone. Today's class was, I will share it in the same WhatsApp group, was very, very fast. I understand some of you would have gone bouncer, but make sure this is very, very important. Okay, I will do a revision in tomorrow's morning class about this part. Okay, people who are attending tomorrow's morning class, you can do this, or else you can attend it and hear it with a proper. Yeah, the class was only 1.5x. Thanks. Yeah, hope you learned something new today. Okay, I wish I could have completed this class. Here we did like scope of a variable. Here this is actually very important. We study about local, global variable, and we study about members of class. And this is a very important class. Okay. If you want, I can share the recording of this class. You guys can watch it. Okay, that would be better. Next class will be tomorrow morning. Classes will be in morning. How many of you are comfortable for classes in morning? Six a.m. Yes, 6 a.m. is all can attend. Morning not possible.
I had joined morning batch due to office timing, so that become
Hmm.
difficult for me. That's why I'm requesting to take it evening.
Evening, this time is okay for everyone. I can take morning and evening both. If you want, I can take alternate days. Okay, we can try something like that. We'll see. We'll see. I will think about it. Okay, done. But I need at least 20 strength in the batch. Then I will only like 10 plus at least people should be there in morning and evening. Okay.
What's the
Let us
sweet
vote and
time?
discuss this in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
Morning, we'll see. Yeah, people who are comfortable with morning can morning, and we'll try it out. Okay. I'll figure out something. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo guys, I will end the session. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening. Tomorrow morning, definitely there will be a class. We will decide in the group. Maybe you guys can decide. Let me see. Okay. Evening there is a lot of strength. I don't know whether the same strength will continue in the morning. Okay, we will see that.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Have a good class if you have a class. Okay, I have a class. I have to go and
Yes,
take the
we
class.
have
I
a
need a
class.
Okay. Chalo everyone.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye guys. See you on
Yes, sir.
tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Chalo bye.